Over 100 Jamaicans who were stranded in the United Kingdom have now returned home.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
More than 100 Jamaicans who were stranded overseas arrived in the island on Wednesday evening, the 6th of May, on a chartered TUI flight from the United Kingdom. The Jamaicans were left stranded after the government closed the island's ports to incoming passengers in mid-March as one of the measures to slow the spread of the coronavirus across the island. The passengers were given a warm reception upon their arrival at the Norman Manley International Airport by Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Kamina Johnson-Smith.
They were able to provide that. You got to be here about that 4 months, that's right, or just okay. You can hear now. The Miko training and your right, and your country. Kayla. I was trying to. They're adorable. Alright, but I hope everything will be okay. I know it's been a challenging time, and I know the process was new for the kids and what's your hope?
Included in the group of approximately 115 returnees are 75 crew members from one cruise ship line, while the other 40 were stranded in the UK for various other reasons. The returnees were then transported from the airport directly to a hotel in St. Anne, where they were tested for COVID-19 and quarantined. They will be constantly screened for 14 days and will have to return 2 negative tests before they will be allowed to go home. This group is the first batch of about 330 Jamaicans whose accommodation and food bill will be absorbed by the government during quarantine. A Gleaner newspaper analysis projects that taxpayers would have to cough up another $758 million. This at the current conversion rate of US $1 to Jamaican $145 for accommodation and food if the remaining 4,670 Jamaicans who have expressed an interest to return are stayed quarantined at US $8 per day per person for 14 days. All told, the price tag would hover around $822 million, not counting medical, security, and logistics expenses.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.